Hello students, today we are going to study a very important part in grammar, that is tenses. See, most of you are always confused regarding these tenses, right? So as you all know, there are three types of tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. And in today's class we are going to focus only on the first thing, that is present tense, simple present tense. So we are completely going to focus only this simple present tense in today's class. So you already know that we use the present tense to talk about actions that take place in the present or at the time of speaking, right? See, we use the simple present tense to talk about the present moment. So we use simple present tense to talk about the present moment. Okay, present moment, like Divya is at school. Okay, it talks about Divya is at school. This sentence talks about Divya's condition at the present moment. So, simple present tense talks about the present moment. Next, it talks about facts and general truths. Okay, also it talks about something that happens regularly every day. Okay, every morning you do yoga, you practice yoga. So this is something that you are doing regularly. So simple present tense talks about something that happens regularly. And things that are planned for the near future. And what is happening right before the speaker's eyes. So here also we use simple present tense. So it is used to express habits, general truths, repeated actions or unchanging situations and emotions. I work in Chennai. Okay, I work in Chennai. So this is unchanging situation. I'm not going to get any transfer. So I work in Chennai. Next is Mumbai is a large city. So we are talking about some general truth. Okay, see, simple present tense is used to express habits, general truths. So this is a general truth. Mumbai is a large city is a general truth. And to give instructions or directions. See, you walk for 200 meters, then you turn left. So here also we use simple present tense. See, add s to most verbs and also add es to verbs that end in sh or yes, sh, z sound. Okay, watches, chess, does, kisses, washes, fixes, buzzes. Affirmative, how it changes in affirmative, negative and interrogative. So affirmative, it's a positive statement. I go or you go, we go, they go. Negative, I don't go, we don't go. Interrogative is raising questions, asking questions. Do I? Do you go? Do we? Do they? And see the second thing, he goes. So here, I go. Okay. And when it comes to the second person, he goes. He doesn't go. I do not go. Here we say he does not. Doesn't. So contracted form, doesn't. She does not. Does he go? Does it happen? Okay, does it happen? You have a doubt. So the simple present tense has no questions with be and short answers. Do you live in Circo? Do you watch TV every day? So the answer is yes, I do. Do you love pets? No, I don't. Does she speak French? Yes, she does. Does she have vegetables for lunch? Yes, she does. Does she eat junk food? No, she does not. Does she make lunch on Sundays? No, she does not. Okay, so this is how we raise questions and give answers. Simple present tense, affirmative, negative, interrogative. I play tennis. I don't play tennis. Do I play tennis? It's question. So I have given you exercises. I want you to complete this exercise. I dash at a bank. I work at a bank. She lives with her parents. Cow dash on grass. He dash a handsome salary. Janet dash to be a singer. Emily dash delicious cookies. Aarti and her husband dash in Singapore. Rohan and Sania dash to play card. Dash to play card games. This is exercise number 2. You have options here, so you have to select from the options given below. At the end of each question, you can see 3 options are given, so you have to select from these 3. Do you dash chocolate milk? Do you like chocolate milk, or do you likes chocolate milk, or do you be like chocolate milk? Which is the correct answer? Please tick the answer and fill this blank. Second question. He dash not want to go to the movies. He do not want to go to the movies. He does not want to go to the movies. He is not want. So if you have any doubts, you can go to the previous exercise. You can refer. You can see I do not go. He does not. She does not. It does not. We do not. They. So he, what is the answer? He dash now. He plays tennis. He wants breakfast. He walks home. It dash a beautiful today. It are a beautiful day today. It is a beautiful day today. It am. So it's a very simple sentence. Very easily you'll be able to find the answer for this question. Sorry, Lisa dash not here at the moment. They are not here. They dash right now. Robert dash not go to my school. My parents dash in a 2-bedroom apartment. We dash European. You dash so happy today. So answers are given below. Find the answers and fill the blanks. So let me repeat. A simple present tense. Listen. Simple present tense express an action that takes place regularly or very often. And also it refers to an action that tells about some habit. Also it expresses general truths and facts. For example, stars shine in the sky at night. So stars shine. So here stars shining or shined, it happens every day. It talks about general truths and facts. So you have to say stars shine in the sky at night. An action that was planned well in advance. So here also we use simple present tense. For example, the Republic Day function begins at 8 a.m. tomorrow. So begins here. It's a simple present tense. Okay, begins. And I always do my homework in the afternoon, or I always do my homework in the evening. Okay, I always do my homework in the evening after having a short nap. So I always do. Do is a simple present tense. I always do my homework, because it talks about an action that tells about some habit. We are talking about some habit which you do it regularly. See, I always do my homework. So it is about your habit. So you use simple present tense. I always do my homework. So this is all for the day. Meet you next class. Thank you.